What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Gearhead Nation. Unfortunately, we missed our April 9th deadline to have Bruised Ego up and going and at the track. Today uh, is the first test and tune at National Trails Raceway. They canceled the Saturday test and tune and Friday test and tune, and went ahead and did them Sunday. We've had some really shitty weather the last 2 weeks here in Ohio. A lot of rain, so between work and rain, I haven't had a chance to work on the car the way I had hoped. So today we are going to get back to work and get the engine put back together and get accessories put on. So let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to do on this intake is, I'm not sure how high the rear of the engine is going to set once the transmission's in. And this nub right here and these fins are fairly close to the top of the cow, so I want to go ahead and trim those down just to give me a little extra room to work or do whatever needs to be done and make sure I have enough clearance. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. Alright guys, now that we have everything cut down the way we need it, we'll go ahead and put the intake back on. Alright guys, now that we got the intake back, alright, we got the intake manifold bolted down. Now we'll go ahead and get our alternator bracket and bolt our alternator up. Now I did do some test fitting and the alternator will clear the Firebird hood, so it's pretty close, but we shouldn't have any issues. Now here's our truck alternator bracket. I did do some modifications. I went ahead and cut the bottom part off where the power steering pump would go, because I'm not planning on running power steering, and I just wanted to simplify everything and drop a little bit while I'm at it. All right, we've got our 15mm socket. All right, alternator brackets on. Let's put the alternator on. All right, alternator's on. Now let's see if I can find the belt. All right, so I had the belt test fit on, but as you can see, it's way too long because we are less some accessories that was on the truck originally, like the power steering pump. So what I'm going to do is cut this belt and measure it for a new belt, cut it, trim off the access, and tape it back together. That way I can take it in and hopefully get one matched up. Alright, and there it is with the belt cut to fit. So now I'll take it off and tape it up, and I gotta go in and get some stuff at AutoZone anyways. I need to get new plugs, plug wires, oil, and all that good stuff for this. So I'll go ahead and pick up a belt while I'm at it, and we'll finish getting everything back together. Now on the exhaust manifolds, I still have the truck manifolds and they fit okay on both sides. But I'm thinking about going to Jigs. I'm gonna get the starter at Jigs. I'm gonna get one of their mini starters. So I'm thinking about getting a set of headers while I'm up there too. So I'm gonna hold off on putting those on for right now. So that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video, guys. We did make some progress though. We got the accessories back on, the intake back on. Everything's getting closer. So hopefully in the next video, we'll finish up the wiring and be ready to get this thing started. I'm gonna have a set of fuel lines made that adapt to the F-body fuel line to the truck fuel rails. So other than that, we're almost ready to rock and roll on this thing, guys. I'm getting excited. All right, next we got our throttle cable hooked back up. Now we'll go ahead and toss the coil packs back on and be good to go, at least for this part. All right, we got the coil packs on. Now all we have left is to get the belt, get new plugs and wires, get everything wired and the engine management hooked up, fuel lines, and cooling system. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Like I said, we're damn close now to getting this thing up and running. Just a few little minor things to do, the wiring being the biggest part of it. I'm debating right now. I've been looking at some Alternator X ECUs, and given the fact that this is going to be a drag car, I'm going to buy one anyways. So I may, when I'm up at Jigs, I may just go ahead and pick one up. So if I do that, then it's going to save a lot of time in the long run, doing stuff that I don't necessarily need to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you.